A new garage door is one of the best investments you can make in your home. It's not just about how it looks. It's about security, reliability, and everyday convenience. We make that decision simple, stress-free, and built to last. We believe that buying a new garage door should be an enjoyable experience. That's why we offer free in-home estimates and walk you through every option, so you can find the perfect door for your home and your budget. Our team takes pride in being a part of your home improvement journey, guiding you with expert advice, professional installation, and dependable post-installation support. From the very first consultation to the moment that your new door glides open for the first time, we're with you every step of the way. Here's what you can expect when you choose Precision Garage Doors: free consultations and estimates. Our knowledgeable team will help you explore the styles, materials, and features that best fit your home. Our trained technicians handle every detail, ensuring that your door is installed with precision and care. No matter your style, our doors are built to last. We're dedicated to quality, convenience, and expertise. If you'd like more insights or need expert help, reach out to your local Precision Garage Door team. Fast, friendly, professional. That's Precision Garage Door service.